Hi, welcome to Val's Keto Life. Now, I was going to start this off by doing a simple one-take keto, but I realized that I want this to cook and take it out and show you all the goodness that it's going to be. We are making a pan bread, which is cornbread. Okay, so if you like these kind of videos, let me know and hit subscribe. Maybe click the bell so you'll get notified. I put them up every Wednesday. Okay, Thursday at the latest. Okay, guys, let's get started. So how I start this out is I do 5 eggs. And then what I've done is I put in just a couple tablespoons of melted butter, okay? I got just 2 tablespoons of a sugar called Pure. It is erythritol, right? And stevia it's one better for you. Now, here's the thing. Not everyone likes sweet cornbread. Don't worry about it. It's going to be sweet cornbread. You don't like it? Don't put the sugar in it. Not really sure how it'll turn out, though. So now I'm going to put about 2 1/4 cups of almond flour that has 1 tablespoon of baking powder in it. And I'm just going to go ahead and add this right to it. So this not only is cornbread, but it's what you would absolutely call gluten-free. Let me see. Okay. So far, so good. I have buttered this pan. I like using these like cheesecake springform pans. I got my oven preheating to 375. And the one thing I have left is this. It's called sweet corn extract. Let me show you the cover. Let me turn it around this way. It's Amoretti, so Amoretti. Okay. So it smells like buttered popcorn. It really does. So to make sure I have enough of a bit of a corn taste. Now, remember, there is no actual corn going into my cornbread. It's not made with cornmeal, so it's not going to be exactly the same. And guys, be careful with stuff. I'm going to have to order more, but this is spendy. I got it, and I just realized, boy, this is a bit spendy. Okay. I'm not going to like it. I kind of would want to, but I'm not going to. Ooh. Let's get everything out of my way. So here is what this looks like. Do you see? It's going to be up in this corner up here. Pretty thick. And now I'm going to pour it into the pan. Whew. So, I got this so cheap. Yes. And I am just going to start pouring it right in here. Now, if you want to be really careful, you know, this is keto to my specifications of keto. But remember, the macros really do depend on how much, let me get it all in there, how much you go ahead and divide it up when you're making it. If you eat half of it, that's going to be high, right? And I got to tell you, I don't make this all the time because I really like it. But I love cornbread. So here we go. I'm just going to put it on that center rack. Ooh. I'm going to put my timer on. Alexa, timer 30 minutes. Here we go. How do I know it's done? It was only 25 minutes, not 30, and that happens sometimes, is I'm just pressing on and it's bouncing back. So I'm like, okay, that's done. Okay, let's pull this out. We are going to close this up. Now, you, if you would like, so you, if you would like, can wait for it to cool off. No, I would not do that because I think that the truth of this is if you wait, it won't be hot. And then how are you going to melt the butter on it? I don't want to burn myself. Look at that. So, there we go. That is our cornbread. So, I'm going to take, come on, let's go over there. And I'm going to take this cornbread for right now. I'm going to go ahead and move it over here. Do you see it? It is looking fabulous. Then I'm going to grab just a regular knife. Oh my goodness, Kerrygold, please be defrosted. My roommate helped me put the groceries away and put my butter in the refrigerator. And it's not that you can't leave this in the refrigerator, certainly, but I don't leave it in the refrigerator. I usually have it on my counter. So I'm going to take just a small helping of butter. Okay. You can cut this any which way you want. So I'm cutting it. Yeah, I see how this. Okay. So here we go. The butter's in there melting. It's looking fabulous. I don't eat cornbread with a fork. Now, the thing I want to tell you is feel free just to use 4 eggs instead of 5. I like the 5. Sometimes I use 4. But okay. That is fabulous. Okay, guys, if you like these kind of videos, hit subscribe. Come join me every Wednesday. I'd love to have you here. And I'll see you next week. Okay, bye.